Earn money with transcription jobs working from home with REV. To get started, you'll need strong English language skills, a computer, and a dependable internet connection. You sign up and you get approved to transcribe. You take a quiz and submit a transcript to demonstrate your mastery of the English language and REV styling rules. If you're approved, you can start working right away. Choosing transcription jobs. You'll find hundreds of transcription jobs to choose from. Select jobs you're interested in and work as little or as much as you prefer. Get paid weekly by way of PayPal. As a transcriptionist, you'll get paid every Monday for all audio files transcribed and completed the prior week. Benefits of working with REV. Decide what you want to work on. Pick from a variety of lectures, interviews, podcasts, and more to transcribe. Getting paid weekly, REV is on time and dependable. Does it cost money to transcribe with REV? It is always free to sign up and transcribe with REV. They never ask for your payment information. Can you use a phone or tablet to sign up and transcribe with REV? Unfortunately, you must use a desktop or a laptop computer to complete and submit a sample transcript using their online transcription editor. If you are approved, you will also need a computer to complete transcription jobs. What are the requirements for the sample transcript? Follow the guidelines to ensure you submit an accurate sample transcript. Take as much time as you need. They are unable to accept freelancers who do not meet the quality requirements, so please use US spelling at all times. When will you hear from REV? Normally within a few days. If you are approved, you can start working immediately. From here, you can sign up with REV. You put your first name, last name, your email address, and you can also put your country. And then you will hit next. And after hitting next, you will come to this welcome screen, letting you know that they're excited that you've decided to apply to become a freelance transcriptionist with REV. But before you begin the application, they want to give you some frequently asked questions to help you understand what it's like to work at REV. First, how much can you earn? Your earning potential will depend on a range of factors, including how many hours you transcribe a week, how much practice you've had with transcription using their tools, your productivity level, and the types of files you choose to transcribe. You can use the calculator below to estimate your earnings. There is no minimum commitment working for REV. How will you know what to work on, and will you be assigned files? As a freelancer at REV, you have complete flexibility to choose which files you want to work out of hundreds or thousands of files available from their marketplace. As you become more experienced, there will be more files available for you to choose from. If you plan on working casually with REV, as a beginner, you can make $22 a week or more. As an intermediate, you can make $37 a week or more. And as an advanced transcriber, you can make $60 a week or more. If you want to work occasionally with REV, you can make as a beginner $65 a week or more, as an intermediate $111 a week or more, and as an advanced transcriber $181 or more. And if you want to work seriously with REV and accept many assignments, you can start off with $108 a week or more as a beginner. As an intermediate, you can make $185 or more a week. And as an advanced transcriber, you $301 per week or more. And you can hit start application after those questions have been answered to your satisfaction. So first you will be answering background questions, and they would like you to answer each question honestly. Your responses will help REV understand the demographics of its prospective REVers and better meet your needs. Your responses will not impact how your skills are evaluated in the following sections. First question, what is your highest level of education? The next question, number 2, how many years of experience do you have as a transcriber? Number 3, please select if you have experience working in any of the following industries: administrative support, customer service, education, academia, engineering, finance, accounting, healthcare, legal, law enforcement, marketing, public relations, technology, and other. Please select the topics that interest you: business, education, entertainment, health, law, politics, religion, science, sports, and other. And number 5, do you have prior experience transcribing? What is your current employment status? And then you will hit next is the skill assessment. Why do you want to work for REV? And you will put that explanation here. And they want you to please answer the following short questions to the best of your ability. What is your favorite hobby and why are you passionate about it? That's here. And where did you most recently vacation and what did you do? All of these 3 areas need at least 200 words or more. And then you'll hit next, terms of service. Then you're almost done, and it states that please carefully review the service agreement and acknowledge your agreement before submitting. So it's great to read the rev.com service agreement so that you know exactly what to expect when you sign up. And once you have read it and agree with it, click this I agree to the service term agreement and the privacy policy, and confirm that I am at least 18 years old and hit submit. Then here you will come to thank you for taking time to submit your application. We know it was a lot of work and we appreciate your effort. We will review your application as soon as we can. You should receive a confirmation email from us shortly. Sometimes this email will go to your spam promotions or junk mail folder. In order to ensure that you receive future communications from us, please make sure to add us to your whitelist. To be honest with you, this was an easy process. And I think that they explained their services well of what they expect from you as a transcriber. Okay. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Click the bell so you'll be notified of more job opportunities. And have a great rest of your day.